Welcome everyone. Apple has blessed and cursed the iPhone 15 with the iOS 27 software update. So this is the developer beta. If you search on YouTube how to get iOS 27, you find a tutorial very easily. It's completely free and safe to do. You just enroll to Apple's developer program to get this. Now, the iPhone 15, the non-Pro variant, the iPhone 15 Plus as well, these two devices they have been screwed and saved at the same time. So first of all, 30% faster app launch times with iOS 27. This is not me saying that or guessing it. That's what Apple claims in the WWDC. And as someone who uses an iPhone 15 series phone every day as a daily driver, I can tell you, Apple were not lying. This phone immediately feels so much faster compared to, the iOS 26, which is just extremely positive change. And is it 30%? I don't know, but it is faster, and it is noticeably faster even on beta 1. Next, the battery drain issue has been solved. So with iOS 26 and that liquid glass effect, it's a really beautiful effect in my opinion, and probably in the opinions of Apple's, but the problem is it just destroyed the battery percentage. Well, I've tested on 15 iPhones. I'll just show some iPhones here. I have 15 iPhones, and if I go to the battery here, not a single iPhone had excessive battery drain issue. All of them haven't shown, it says using less battery actually today, but they've had better battery. There's been no extreme drain, even right after the update. Like right after the update, your phone gets warmer. This phone doesn't get too hot, like right after the update, which is good. But surprisingly, the battery hasn't been tanking. They have significantly improved that. And again, this is beta 1. As it's a beta, typically the final release in September will be better. Now, you're going to be very disappointed, and that's why I said this phone is blessed with the performance boost, but cursed because of this. So the new assistant in iOS 27 does not support iPhone 15 non-Pro. So iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, they do not get the new assistant. So instead, you just have this assistant icon, the old one from years ago, and when you turn on the assistant, you have the old, look. This is just dated. You got a little bit unlucky if you bought the iPhone 15 instead of the Pro on launch because you didn't know that they wouldn't give the AI to this device. So none of the AI features, which are most of the features in iOS 27, and most of all the AI features are not in iPhone 15. They are not in iPhone 15 Plus. What you do get, other than performance boost, is the app icons. They have been slightly changed. So camera icons slightly changed. Same with App Store. Same with photos. Same with settings. Throughout the operating system, they've done some small, design changes. So you can see there's like a paintbrush at the top left and a tick at the top right that typically wasn't there before. There's new wallpapers. So let me show them. So you can see the iOS 27. Well, you can't see because it hasn't loaded, but those are the wallpapers. It's just a nice little design. Nothing too crazy. And they've done a small change with the Photos app, which is that you can, if I go to the shared albums area, you are able to share in the shared albums. You can now share with Android and Windows users. Really nothing too crazy. They've done some changes to dynamic islands. So if I go for appearance here, and then liquid glass. I said dynamic islands. That's just I've been up for like a long time. I mean liquid glass. They've changed liquid glass. You have more customization. So if I tap into liquid glass like this, you have a full-on slider. You can slide anywhere here. Left side being the full clear effect seen in iOS 26.0. Full right side being that tinted effect. So overall, this is worth updating to 100% in September if you want better battery and performance. You will be disappointed. You are missing the AI features. They're just all not here. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.